Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to fix Safari images not loading. If Safari is not loading images properly, then it can be pretty much frustrating, so here is a simple guide to help you fix the issue. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet connection. The next thing to do is to make sure to clear Safari cache and website data. On your iPhone, open up the Settings app from the home screen. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Once you're inside the Apps tab, scroll and then find the Safari app and tap on that. On the next page, scroll down and look for Clear History and Website Data under History and Website Data. Select the time frame from where you want to clear out the history and website data from the menu and then click on Clear History at the bottom. Soon after you do that, sometimes stored cache can prevent images from loading properly, so that might also be able to help fix your issue. If the problem still continues, then make sure to disable content blockers. Go back to the Settings application and inside the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Safari under App. After you open up the Safari page, go ahead and look for Extensions and tap on that. Go ahead and select and turn off any content blocker extensions. After you do that, you can then get back to the Safari browser and see if the problem still continues. If it still doesn't work, then make sure to completely close off your Safari app. Push the app card upwards. Soon after you do that, open the Safari app again, and this might be able to help you clear out minor glitches. Also make sure that you are using an updated version of Safari. If you are using the outdated one, then that can also cause display issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Safari does not load images properly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.